Did you know that the creators of Stranger Things admitted that it's rooted in real history? The show was originally pitched under a different name, Montauk. It was inspired by a real military base in New York called Camp Hero. Camp Hero has been surrounded for decades by rumors of secret Cold War experiments involving psychology and human consciousness. One of these experiments is very well known. It was called MKUltra. These experiments involved LSD, sensory deprivation, hypnosis, and attempts to influence or even potentially control human behavior. And the sad part is much of this happened without consent. If 11 feels unsettling, it's probably because her story mimics this era. Children, trauma, isolation, testing. That wasn't sci-fi. That was the actual mindset during Cold War intelligence. Now let's talk about Hawkins' Lab, because this is where things really start to click. Hawkins' Lab is fictional, but it's modeled after real Cold War era research facilities that actually operated. And these labs were absolutely hidden in small towns. And they were often attached to universities or military bases. And they were protected by layers of secrecy. And as you can imagine, if something went wrong, it stayed quiet. Now let's talk about the upside down, because I think this is where the show gets a lot smarter than people realize. Parallel universes are not science fiction. They are legitimate theories in modern physics. Now, they aren't proven, but they are taken very seriously. In quantum physics, some models suggest reality can branch into multiple outcomes. In cosmology, there are theories that our universe may not be the only one. Now, in a few episodes prior to the finale, they mention a wormhole. Wormholes are real solutions to Einstein's equations. We've never actually observed one, but the math works. I'll leave you with this. Back in the 70s, Steven Spielberg released Close Encounters of the Third Kind. And back then, people thought that this was just true science fiction. But lately, with congressional hearings and whistleblowers, it's starting to look more like maybe Steven Spielberg was privy to information that we didn't know yet. And maybe he was part of a soft disclosure team, getting the masses used to UFO disclosure. Is Stranger Things possibly doing the same thing? Is Vecna real? We know that our government studied remote viewing for decades, and maybe still is. We also know that there are people out there that are extremely talented with remote viewing. So I guess what I'm saying is maybe Stranger Things isn't stranger than fiction.